Welcome to Auto In this guide, I will show you how to factory reset your LG soundbar quickly and easily.
Method 1. Using the remote. Step 1. Turn on your LG soundbar. Step 2. On your remote, press and hold the wall and input buttons simultaneously. Step 3. Keep holding for about 5 seconds until the display shows INIT or the lights blink. Step 4. Release the buttons. Your soundbar will restart and reset to factory settings. Method 2. Using the soundbar buttons. Step 1. Turn on the soundbar. Step 2. Press and hold the power and input buttons on the soundbar itself. Step 3. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds until the display shows INIT or blinks. Step 4. Release the buttons. The soundbar will reset to default settings.